someone who cannot overlook certain things. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hi team, Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So if you guys have watched my last vlog, you have seen me talking about this couch. Actually, the couch is small. This dining chair is really small, and for the price, I was expecting a little bit bigger. Honestly, I wanted to return it. That's why it took me like a whole week for me to open it, because actually I wanted to return it and just pay a little bit more and get a bigger one. But the kids were like, "Mommy, it's nice, it's beautiful, just open it, open it." They really want me to open it. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me open it. It doesn't look bad with the dining table. I'm gonna keep this table because definitely the table I have in mind, this dining couch is too small for it. But you know what? Let's just open it and manage. I haven't really see a bigger dining table that I want right now. So let's just open the couch and manage it, because I don't know. Hopefully it's nice like what it is in the picture. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to push this dining table and the chairs at the back. I already have my scissors there. I have my vacuum connecting, so in case I make any mess, I can just vacuum because the living room is clean and I want to keep it clean like that. So let me first fix my camera, and then I will go ahead and push the chair at the back. Push this one first. Okay, so we have like space to work. Okay, let's start in by removing all of this. So I changed this. I put my snake plant here just because it's more open. The other plant was too tall, was a little bit dark. I wanted something open, so if I open it and I don't like it, I will wrap it back and return it. I'm not joking. Like when I have something pictured in my head, it has to be exactly the way it is in my head. If not that, I'm going to be frustrated. It's going to frustrate me. I'm sure I'm not the only person who is like that. But you know, right now, Zalando wants to frustrate me. I'm looking for a birthday dress in Zalando. But the kind of dresses that I like, the prices are just somewhere else. I'm like, where am I wearing this dress to go? Me that I don't go out. My own outgoing is more date night with myself. I don't really go parties and stuff like that. And also, I'm not really an outgoing person. I'm more like home person. So that's why most people think I have a very boring life, because they don't see me in parties. Like parties where you see people a lot, you don't see me there. I go out, I go more like a date night. I go dinner, a lot of dinner. I go out to restaurants. I go out for a drink. I go for picnics. So those are places where it's not African party, it's no fish, it's no like clubbing, it's not. So people don't see me in those areas. So they always assume that my life is pretty boring because you don't see me in African parties, because you don't see me in clubs, because you don't see me posting my locations. I never really post whenever I'm out. I only post things when I'm back in my house. That is one thing I've learned. Like, I don't post if I'm not at home. Even if I visit any places, I'll post the pictures or post something when I'm in my house. So even if I'm out of the house for 2-3 days, I will never post anything on that 2-3 days to let anyone know that I am out of the house. By the time I'm home, that is when I'm posting. By the time somebody be like, my friends will be like, you're having fun, eh? I'll be like, yeah, that was a couple of days ago. I'm home now. That is how I do my thing. How did they pack this box now? Jesus. Hopefully this couch is nice. Because the way this thing is. This thing is headache. I hope you guys can see. This removing this couch is headache. Come on, give me. And also one of the reasons why I don't go out, because my house feels like home. I really buy the things that I love. I love staying home. I love making my house to my taste. So my home feels like home. I have everything I want in my home. So I'm not really triggered to be going out. I go out only when I'm really free, but not always. Not always free. This one. Oh, I like the color. Okay, the color is what I wanted. Yes. We'll deal with it later. Oh, this one you just have to lift. She's making me. I don't want to. Already finished. It's just try not to damage the wood on the foot. Voila! Yes, it's beautiful. Oh my god, this is exactly what I wanted. But just like I wanted the bigger one. It's nice, but it's too small. I'm definitely gonna get. Is it raining? Jesus. I don't know know what's wrong with this weather. Hold on, weather. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. Just that this is too small. And this time, what I did, I also got an insurance on this couch in case the children spill something. Actually, they spray. It's already sprayed with something that water cannot penetrate through because they spray it with something. And then I also got an insurance for if the children like accidentally throw food on it or throw something on it, the company will come immediately. Between 24 hours they will come and clean it. And because I bought where I bought my bigger couch is the same company that I bought this chair, this dining chair, the couch, the dining chair, and the center table. They are from the same company. The name is goossenswonen. They have really nice stuff, but they are very expensive. But it's worth the price, honestly speaking. So guys, this is what the couch is looking like. I'm looking for like cushions. I don't know, since it's a dining chair, it doesn't really need cushions. But me being me, bring a little bit close to this. Yes, you can actually sit here. You can push the plants at the corner. You can have a glass of wine here. I mean, relax anyway. That is not what it meant for, but it's nice. I'm gonna quickly vacuum this area. Just vacuum it quickly and then put everything back. I really like it. It's beautiful. I really love it. What do you guys think? Let me bring you guys closer. It's beautiful. I love the color. I really want something gray. I love how beautiful and soft it is. It's really nice. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm thinking of getting something like cushions, like really nice cushions. What's this cushions in English? Like really nice pillow, like pillows, but not pillow for bed. Like, yeah, like those really nice ones. Let me just clean this area. I'm gonna try to clean this area and then vacuum and then put everything together. Then I'll show you guys the finished result. Stay tuned. Okay, now let me show you all. This is the finished result of the couch. I kind of changed the plants. I love the taller plants closer to the dining couch more than by the office table. So this is what the couch look like. It's really nice. Yeah, I love it. So I'll change the plant and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I just set the dining. This is what the dining table look like with the couch. It looks nice. So the kids knows that they are not allowed to sit on that couch. They're only allowed to sit on the plastic chairs. It's like a plastic chair, but are really strong, because I used to have like the chair with the same material like that one. But when you have kids, they mess it up and it becomes dirty. And I'm someone who cannot overlook certain things. So reasons why I decided to get this plastic dining chair. These are really strong, but they are plastic, so it's easy to clean, and if they get messy, it's just easy to just wipe off. It's much better, at least better for my head, better for the kids, better for my peace and happiness. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I really like it, and I love the plant. Love the fact that the sunlight is so much right now. You guys can see the sunlight is penetrating inside the house. I have all the windows, the whole gordijn, everything is up, so the sunlight is really coming in, and I'm loving it. And then at the office area, I just changed the plant. I feel like the bigger plant was better close to the couch, because that was the reason why that was what I had in my head. Like when the couch come, the plant will stand there. So I kind of switched the plant and I just put the snake plant here. And I feel like it also looks nice. I kind of also play around with the setting of the office area. I kind of push the laptop holder at the back. So at least I have my laptop there and I have all of this space. I have my files there, and everything is pretty organized. So yeah, I still haven't gotten things to put on top of there. So, but so far, so good. I love the way it is going. I love how everything's looking. And so now that the kids, the toys of the kids are upstairs in the bedroom, the living room stay clean all the time. Like they don't play in the living room. You just eat, watch TV. So the living room is always clean. It's always looking neat, and I really like. Excuse these boxes here. I have so much stuff that I need to do video about. I haven't really gotten the time. I have so much thing in my bucket list, but yeah, this is the living room. The sunlight is just beautiful. Love it. So yeah, Team Fullest. Hope you all like this unboxing. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.